Welcome back, Epic Quizzes. Think you know the Bible? It's time to put your knowledge to the test. Today's quiz features 3 exciting rounds: easy, medium, and hard. Are you ready to see how many you can get right? Let's jump in. Round 1. Easy questions. Who was swallowed by a big fish after trying to avoid God's command? Jonah. What did God create on the first day according to Genesis? Light. What is the first book of the New Testament? Matthew. Who was thrown into a den of lions by King Darius? Daniel. Who was saved by being put into a basket as a baby and placed in the reeds in the river Nile? Moses. Who baptized Jesus? John the Baptist. How many men did Jesus feed with just 5 loaves and 2 fish? 5,000. Which disciple betrayed Jesus with a kiss? Judas Iscariot. How many gospel accounts are there? 4. In the parable of the prodigal son, how many sons did the father have? 2. Round 2. More challenging questions. What kind of wood did Noah use to build the ark? Gopher wood. Who interpreted Pharaoh's dreams about 7 fat cows and 7 skinny cows? Joseph. What mountain did Moses receive the 10 Commandments on? Mount Sinai. What were the jobs of the 2 men who met Joseph in prison and had their dreams interpreted? A cupbearer and a baker. How many stones did David have when he went out to fight Goliath? 5. Who anointed Saul to be the first king of Israel? Samuel. What was Jesus' first recorded miracle? Turning water into wine. Which book of the Bible contains the account of the Tower of Babel? Genesis. When John the Baptist was preaching in the wilderness, what 2 things did he eat? Locust and honey. Which of Jesus' disciples used to be a tax collector? Matthew. Round 3. Difficult questions. Who was the left-handed judge who killed King Eglon of Moab? Ehud. What prophet saw a vision of a valley of dry bones? Ezekiel. Who wrote the shortest verse in the Bible, and what is it? John. Jesus wept. According to Matthew's Gospel, who were the first two disciples to follow Jesus? Peter and Andrew. Who was Vashti in the Bible? The queen at the beginning of the book of Esther. How long were the Hebrews living in Egypt? 430 years. What is the sixth commandment? You shall not murder. Who cut off Samson's hair? An unnamed man. Which two books of the Bible begin with the same three words, in the beginning? John and Genesis. Which is the only miracle, apart from the resurrection, that is recorded in all four Gospels? The feeding of the 5,000. Great job! Want to test your Bible knowledge even more? Click the next quiz and keep playing.